Hi guys. My hair looks horrible today. I don't know what's going on with it. But this Hurricane Harvey Part 2. Um, so far, nothing really bad has happened. Just a few warnings for flash floods, and then like hurricane warnings as usual. And it's 11:40. I slept horrible last night. I didn't go to sleep until about 6:30 because I was really scared. The power went off. I went in my parents' room and I watched a movie on our iPad on the data. So, yeah. It's raining a bit hard. Mm, Not hard, kind of a normal amount of rain, and then a little bit of wind. So it's not very bad right now. At the moment, it's a bit cleared up. Forecast just says light rain showers for the next probably 30 minutes to an hour. Hi. My grandmother is sleeping. It's almost 12 a.m. I'm not tired at all because I went to sleep at 6:30 in the morning. Well, um, it's starting to rain a little harder. Guess the forecast was wrong again. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm probably gonna stay up all night, and I usually wake up at like noon, and I woke up at like noon, and I usually go to bed at like 12 a.m. and then I went to bed at 6:30. So I didn't get that much sleep, but that's cool. Wait, no. I didn't wake up at 12 this morning. Sorry. I woke up at, okay, so, anyway, sorry. I'm getting distracted again. I'm easily distracted. But, yeah. I didn't wake up at noon today. I usually wake up at noon. But I didn't wake up at noon today. I woke up at like, I think, 3 p.m. That's super late, but I did go to sleep super late. So it was around the same amount of sleep that I usually get, just kind of different. And yeah, so I'm not very tired at all. I'd probably stay up and not go to sleep at all. Um, and then I could actually like fix my sleeping pattern so I won't go to sleep at 12 a.m. Like if I don't go to sleep, then I can go to sleep at maybe 9, like I should. I could go to sleep at 9, and then I could wake up earlier. So, yeah, I don't feel like doing math right now, because it's still summer for me. Also, if you're in school, how is your school year going? Put it down in the comments. And if you're not, tell me when you start school. And if you're already in school, then you can also tell me when you started school. So that would be super cool. And also, what do you want for Christmas? Christmas is pretty far away, 4 months. But that is okay, because Christmas is awesome, so why not? Just tell me what you want for Christmas. I probably want chocolate. No, not chocolate. I do like chocolate. But I'm going to be a vegan. You can't go instantly into vegan. Like, it's very annoying when people say, why are you eating chicken? You just said you want to go vegan. But you can't go vegan overnight. It just doesn't work. Because your body won't get the right nutrients. You probably don't have the right stuff. It's cutting out a lot of your diet. You have to ease into it. But by then, I'll probably cut out like all of the dairy things and probably some of the meats too. So no chocolate, but maybe like glitter. A lot of glitter. I love glitter so much. And a label maker, just because washi tape, a craft. No, that's kind of a bad thing to get for Christmas. You don't want to get a knife for Christmas. Like, I'm not gonna hurt anyone, but like, just using a knife is kind of weird. Anyway, yeah, maybe some fake flowers. I'm just a very happy person. I like things like washi tape, fake flowers, and glitter. I love glitter so much, but I don't have any glitter. I love glitter, but I don't have any. It's weird. Yeah. So, yeah. Also, some fluffy socks. No, like, socks for Christmas is kind of, like, mean, so no one gets me socks. But I actually really want them, because I love socks so much. I really don't mind getting them for Christmas. Unless it's, like, the only thing I get. If I'm getting socks, I want something else, too. But anyway, you can't lose sight that the beginning of Christmas is to celebrate Jesus' birthday, spend time with your family and friends, and just have a good time. Yeah. So, whether you've been naughty or nice, I hope you all have an amazing Christmas. And I don't know why we're talking about Christmas, because, like I said, it's 4 months away. But why not? Because it's a happy holiday. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on about Christmas. I'm getting distracted by the TV again. But, yeah, it's raining pretty hard now. And I'm going to see if it's windy. And the camera might not pick up anything, because it's dark out now, but just, I hope you guys can maybe possibly see that. Like, you can see the trees blowing a bit. Not that much. It's a little bit windy. And like that, but, it's not that windy. That's cool. And so tell me, when do you start school? When did you start school? How was your school year? What do you want for Christmas? And what's your favorite TV show? Lots of things you can put down. But you can pick any of them. I just want to give you guys some options to make this video more fun. No, it's probably just going to be me rambling, but this might be like kind of a staying on up all night part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, part 2. I don't know. But it's going to be kind of a staying up all night part 2, I guess. Or attempt to. So, staying up all night, attempt 2. I think I might actually be able to do it because I'm not tired at all, and I'm usually a bit tired right now. So this is going to be very fun. So Hurricane Harvey Part 2. Sorry. And Staying Up All Night Attempt 2. As you know, because I'm going to put this in the title eventually. I already have to. You get the point. Okay. Well, I will be back in 1 second because that's what it will be to you guys. So goodbye for now. Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update because it's 12:30, 30-minute milestone. And it was just a flash flood warning. So yes, it is flooding 5 inches per hour. Not in our house. We are okay. My grandmother is asleep, so if you can hear snoring, I'm sorry. Hold on. Ah. But I'm gonna go downstairs and actually, but I think I will maybe go get a snack. Actually, I'm not really hungry. I just ate crackers. So I'm just trying to figure out what to do. I'm trying to stay up all night. I'm still not tired. Yeah. Oh, and I want to show you guys something. So, this is a coloring page that I colored because coloring pages are very fun, although I'm 10. I don't like using crayons. I like using colored pencils better. It gives you more control, and then crayons leave like this waxy wax behind. But this is a coloring page that I colored in, and I just like looked at it for a reference, and I was trying to recreate it and draw it like how it was. And this is what I got out of that. Just gotta find it. Okay. I'm very proud of this because I didn't think I could, but look, like, it's amazing. Like, all I did was look. It's awesome. Oh, and it's raining very hard now. It's 12:34, so 1, 2, 3, 4. But I really like dancing, so I'm just gonna kind of dance around. I'm gonna check back in with you guys at maybe 1 or 1:30. Bye. So this will conclude Hurricane Harvey Part 2. Why am I wearing this? This is an eye mask. Anyway, this concludes Hurricane Harvey Part 2. And, well, yeah. I'm going to do another video. It's going to upload today. Same day that you're watching. Well, same day this is uploaded. It's going to upload today. It's going to be staying up all night, attempt to, because I don't know if I have enough battery, or I probably do. I have enough battery, but I don't want this to be too long, and you have to wait. So that is going to be like starting around 1 a.m. Yeah. Nothing. So yeah, goodbye everyone. Bye.